Hey friends, Hattie here with Honeybee Stampers. It is August 10th. I had to stop for a second. August 10th, and it is the last call for Paper Pumpkin. So I wanted to hop on and share with you two alternative sample projects that I created with last month's Paper Pumpkin kit, because that's always a fun thing to do, and to remind you that the August kit deadline to register for that is today. So I also wanted to kind of tell you a little bit about some classes that are coming up, because we've got some registration deadlines that are coming up real fast. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. So far, so good. I'm juggling between moving and crafting, and I have my family is visiting in town. Well, they're really visiting my son, not so much me, but it's a big help, so that's great. But anyways, I'm here because I wanted to show you a couple projects that I designed. So last month's Paper Pumpkin kit was amazing. Okay, it was probably my favorite kit that we've had so far. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that. It was the July Painted Petals kit. And honestly, that kit, I was so ready to order the refills for that when they came out, and they sold out. I mean, they sold out early, which was such a bummer. If you didn't see this kit, it was this one right here. I actually did a video where I put this together, so you'll have to go and check that out. But here are the projects from that kit. And there's tons of samples floating around online where people did like alternative samples with this. That's always fun. When I go to do an alternate sample of my Paper Pumpkin kit, I try to use whatever's left over in the kit, but especially focusing on the stamp set. That's usually like my frame of mind when I'm going into an alternative sample. But some of the samples that I saw that were super cute were people turn these into fun folds so that you could see this part of the card on the front. So just if you even just Google, Pinterest, whatever, you're going to see tons of samples of these. It's so fun, and everybody's so creative. I put the kit together as is because they were just that gorgeous. Okay, so that's what the cards look like. The stamp set is photopolymer, and this is what the stamp set looked like. And this flower right here is so pretty. The sentiments are so great. I just love Paper Pumpkin. I know some people, you know, it's kind of a hit or miss. Some people, a lot of people love it, and some people are like, yeah, you know, the kits aren't for me. But honestly, the kits are so fun because you can put together cards really easily and have them sitting here ready to be able to give out at the drop of a hat. It's just so convenient to get the Paper Pumpkin kit, all inclusive. Everything's ready to go for you. And it just makes crafting fun and easy. Yesterday, we did a little paper, well, actually it wasn't Paper Pumpkin, it was just a kit night. One of my team members hosted a kit event, and we all got on Zoom, and it honestly was so much fun. She had people there from anywhere from North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Pennsylvania. I'm trying to think of where else. She had people all over the place that came in, and it was so fun to sit. Everybody was putting together a different kit. Almost everybody had a different kit that they were working on, and we just socialized. I learned a lot. There was some school teachers on there, and some my friend Susan's kids are school teachers, and so I was asking questions about school because Sterling's going to be starting his 4K pretty soon, and I was enlightened, definitely, by a few things. Anyways, so the July Paper Pumpkin kit came with this stamp set. I love this, and so I designed these projects right here. And this is actually really great because this is twofold. I'm going to talk to you about the designer series paper that I use because it's on sale, and I'm going to talk to you about Sweet and Simple card class, which is coming up towards the end of this month. It's on the 24th of this month, and I do have in-person seats available, as well as I send kits to go. Well, this is one of the cards. You guys are gonna have to vote and tell me, which card do you like better? Do you like the blue ones better, or do you like the pink ones better? I'll put a vote out on my social media, and you guys vote on it and let me know. You can even comment in the in the comment section here and let me know which you like better. I'm not going to put this card together for you right now because when I do my tutorial, I do a video tutorial for Sweet and Simple. I put all 6 projects together so that whoever gets it to go, they can see how the projects were put together and create their own thing. So anyways, I won't put them together right now, but this is one of the projects that we'll be making on the 24th. So if you haven't signed up, it's only $25, you guys. It's $28 if you do order, if you use, you know, the credit card machine to do it and have it shipped to you. It is $28. But anyways, it's a great class. So This little stamp set right here, there is a coordinating die, which came in this little die set called Every Celebration Dies. And you got 3 of them. This is such a cool thing that the Paper Pumpkin team at Stampin' Up! Has been doing. They come out with a die set that typically has 3 dies. And so far, I think this is the 3rd round of this new program. Each quarter, they design some dies that coordinate with the next 3 Paper Pumpkin kits. So the 3 kits that are in that quarter. So this was for July. Pretty sure this is going to be for August. And I'm assuming this die will coordinate with whatever happens in September. And so this die, perfectly die cut out this pretty little flower here. And I loved it. So that's what I did for these little projects right here as my alternate sample to this kit. Love this kit. So there's that. Okay. Now, in order to get something like this, or even to get the add-ons, this is an add-on, even to get the refills for Paper Pumpkin, you do have to be a subscriber. So even if you get like the prepaid subscription where you're like, oh, let me try it out for 1 month, or let me try it out for 3 months, you can do that versus having your card billed every month, right? So if you decide to do it that way, go and shop the past kits, because when you sign up, so say for instance, you know that you want to get the August kit. So you register for it for today, and then you can go and shop all of the add-ons, all of the Paper Pumpkin refills, and order them this month because you have access to them this month, okay? Hopefully that made sense. And for this August kit, it's called Time for Cake. I've seen the little promos, and I'll share some pictures again on social media with it, but you get a free additional stamp set, and they're numbers. So it's great. You can't hardly see it on this flyer, but it's a number stamp set. So you've got 0 to 9. The 6 and the 9 are the same number. And then you've got some, the, TH, the ST. I actually don't know what those are called. Huh. I'm going to have to look that up when I get off of here. If somebody's watching knows, I don't know what those are called. I just know it's like the first or the third. I just don't know the name for those. Anyways, grab this kit. It's going to be cute. I'm actually going to get more kits this month than I normally do. So if you do end up missing out on this deadline, maybe I'll have a kit for you, just depending on who orders them. Okay, so that's this kit. Now I wanted to mention that we've got the Designer Series paper sale still going on. It ends at the end of this month. And my goal is to actually try to share a little bit about all of these papers, because it's my absolute favorite product line that Stampin' Up! Carries, is the Designer Series paper. And so this one right here. So Country Lace Designer Series paper, instead of being $12.50, it's on sale for $10.62. And if you're on my team, the Beehive, if you've bought a starter kit from me, then you can actually get this for even a deeper discount, okay? So this is the paper, and look at that. You can't even tell how pretty that is. Well, I have some of them here, so you can take a look. So here's one side. There are a lot of muted colors. So we've got like some smoky slate. This is the new basic beige color. And then we've got Misty Moonlight here. And then this is Petal Pink. Here's another Misty Moonlight pattern. Another Petal Pink pattern. Smoky Slate, Basic Beige again, and some more Smoky Slate, or this could even be like a basic gray. So those are the colors. Oh, and here's the here's the last pattern. I used tons of it, so this is all I had left in my stash. I need to actually order some more. So you got Smoky Slate on that, Misty Moonlight on that side, and then we've got the Basic Beige over here. So you're gonna get 6 different patterns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. And you'll get 2 12 by 12 sheets of each of these double-sided patterns, okay? So there's that. I use these, obviously, for this. So I use these 2 patterns right here, and these 2 are from that Designer Series paper pack called Country Lace. Country Lace 12 by 12. It's beautiful paper. I even designed a couple other projects I'm going to share with you for our demonstrator retreat that we had in the spring. So here's one of the projects that I designed. I used the paper here, here, and even in this little background here. So that's that same country lace, and I used it with this, I think it's called Seaside Wishes. I can't remember the name of the stamp set bundle, but, and then here's another one. I've used 3 of the patterns here, and even this background piece, I used that again. So pretty. This is like one of my favorite cards here. And then I did a fun fold. It looks like this. You open it up. Okay. And I've got the paper here, and is that it? Yeah. So I used 2 of the patterns on here. So you see this in this together. Anyways, beautiful cards here from our retreat. If you're a demonstrator, know that our holiday retreat registration is open right now, and it's going to close on the 15th of this month. So don't miss out on joining us for the holiday retreat. I'll be designing more projects. My friend Susan will be designing more projects, and it's a great time. You can also get the kits to go, okay? So sharing a lot with you guys tonight, but I thought it was important to hop on and do that. So I've told you that this is my alternate sample for my paper pumpkin. I like to try to do that whenever I can. I wanted to show you that this paper is on sale. So I've done that. Give you the deadline for signing up for the next paper pumpkin, which is birthday themed. August, time for cake. It's beautiful. There's a fun fold card in there, and the cards are stunning. So I'll let you know that much. And then when you sign up for this, you can even get these little dies down here that are the add-ons that are while supplies last, okay? And then the last thing, 2 more things I want to tell you. One thing is I want to remind you of bonus days. If you have bonus days coupons, redeem them as soon as possible. Redeem them this month. You get $5 off. However many coupons you collected, there's $5 worth $5 each. And then one last thing I wanted to mention is that there's still time to register for the Friends for Life card club. So it's this bundle of products here and some really bright and fun projects. You're also going to get some of this designer series paper, and this designer series paper is also on sale. So it's so pretty. It's called Full of Life. Look how bright and fun that is, you guys. So you'll get some of this paper. You will get a package of these embellishments. You'll get a kit for 5 cards, and it's $40 in person, which we're meeting in person the last Wednesday of this month, and it's $45 to have it all shipped right to your door. And you get a written tutorial. So almost, you know, the deadline's almost up for this as well. Let me know if you have questions about that, but don't miss out on Paper Pumpkin. Let me know if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin too. I added some links so that you'll be able to find, you know, my store easily. You'll be able to sign up for Paper Pumpkin easily. Last time I went live, I did not see the comment section. For some reason, it kind of populated like 2 comments, and then as soon as I hopped off, then it showed me all these other ones. So if I missed you last time I was on, sorry. I tried to comment underneath after I went live. All right, that's it. Sign up for Sweet and Simple. Don't forget your bonus days. Lots to share. And here's the host code. All right, you guys, have a great night. I'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.